according to fresh leaks. On the one hand, the Osmo Pocket 4 appears to have a larger camera housing than its predecessor, include a main 1-inch variable aperture sensor, possibly the 50MP unit from the DJI Action 6, and a second 1/1.3-inch sensor optimized for vertical video. Expected upgrades include the capability to shoot video at up to 6K per 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second or even 240 frames per second. FCC documents confirm a larger battery with a rated capacity of 1,545 mAh, an 18% increase over the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh, which is expected to provide over 200 minutes of recording time. The design is rumored to feature a slightly larger, rotatable OLED touchscreen. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The Osmo Pocket 4 is widely expected to be announced between late December 2025 and early 2026. Initial price estimates for the base model are rumored to be in the $699 to $799 range. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.